Every year, over 100,000 accidents happen because of cars that were supposed to keep us safe. Not because of reckless drivers, not because of bad weather, but because the very machines we trust to protect us can betray us in the worst possible way. Welcome to a countdown of the 20 cars so unsafe they're practically death traps. Some of these vehicles were sold for decades without the public knowing their hidden dangers. Others were recalled after tragedy struck. And if you think your car is safe, think again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because by the end of this video, you'll see why some cars should never have made it to the road. Number 20. 2020 to 2022 Subaru Ascent. The Subaru Ascent promised adventure and reliability, but owners quickly discovered a nightmare. Wiring shorts in the electrical system created fire risks, and transmission issues caused the car to stall without warning. Imagine cruising down the highway, only to feel your SUV slow uncontrollably, or worse, ignite under your feet. Subaru issued recalls, but these cars still lurk on roads today, a quiet hazard hiding behind an innocent badge. Number 19. 2021 to 2023 Jeep Wrangler 4xe. Jeep's plug-in hybrid was meant to combine rugged off-roading with modern tech. Instead, drivers reported sudden engine shutdowns, electrical fires, and rollback incidents on inclines. You think you're in control of a Jeep's power, but the 4xe proved otherwise. The company scrambled with updates, but for drivers, every ride felt like a gamble. Number 18. 2021 to 2023 Chevrolet Bolt EV. Chevrolet promised a green, modern driving experience. Instead, early Bolts became infamous for battery fires. Full recalls and buybacks were necessary, yet thousands of cars had already been delivered. One small malfunction in a lithium-ion battery could ignite, leaving owners with a charred car and shattered peace of mind. Number 17. 2021 Kia Seltos. A compact crossover that looked solid on paper quickly revealed a dark side. Defective piston oil rings, rough dual-clutch transmissions, and spontaneous engine stalling left owners stranded. Some engines caught fire. Kia issued recalls and software patches, but owners lived with the constant fear that their car might suddenly fail. Number 16. 2022 Ford Explorer. Ford's iconic SUV reached a new low in 2022. The rear axle mounting bolt could fracture, causing the drive shaft to disconnect. In other words, your SUV could literally roll away, endangering everyone behind it. Add to that transmission hesitation, jerking from drive to reverse, malfunctioning rear-view cameras, and network communication issues, and you have a vehicle that is as unpredictable as it is dangerous. Number 15. 2020 to 2023 Tesla Model Y. Tesla's Model Y is a marvel of innovation and a cautionary tale. Reports of unintended acceleration, unresponsive infotainment systems, and steering wheel detachments poured in. Hundreds of drivers experienced their car lurching forward while braking. One fatal accident at an intersection highlighted the risk. The car surged into a gas station, catching fire, and the driver did not survive. Tesla insists these are driver errors, but cameras in China tell another story. Number 14. 2023 Hyundai Elantra. Hyundai's compact sedan promised sleek design, fuel efficiency, and tech. But behind the beautiful exterior lurked defects. A motor control unit glitch could trigger unintended acceleration, oil pump malfunctions could start fires, and airbag emblems sometimes detach during deployment. Even after recalls and software fixes, drivers report erratic headlights, dashboard warnings, and strange noises from the sunroof and steering column. Number 13, 2018 to 2019, Nissan Altima. The Altima was once a reliable mid-size sedan, but the 2018 to 2019 models brought CVT transmission failures, rear door malfunctions, and braking system faults. Owners had doors that wouldn't lock, or worse, open while driving. Emergency braking systems sometimes failed, creating life-threatening scenarios. Repairs could cost up to $5,000, and class action lawsuits followed. Number 12, 2017 Land Rover Discovery. Luxury doesn't always mean safe. A leaky windshield could flood electronics, turning a high-end SUV into an expensive disaster. Engine problems, including turbo overheating and sudden stalls, made the Discovery one of the worst Land Rovers in years. Imagine investing a small fortune, only to have the car betray you at the first heavy rain. Number 11, 2017 Chevrolet Traverse. The Traverse's hubris is unmatched. Priced higher than competitors, it underdelivers on reliability and safety. Premature suspension failures, worn control arm bushings, and power steering degradation put drivers in dangerous situations, especially when merging or navigating curves. For a family SUV, these issues aren't just inconvenient, they're hazardous. Number 10, 2016 Dodge Dart. The Dart's small engine hides a big problem. Oil consumption is so high that the car can stall at highway speeds. The shifter cable could detach, causing rollaway incidents. Transmission refusal and engine stalling plagued owners, leading to plummeting sales and the car's discontinuation. Even stylish looks couldn't save a machine designed to fail. Number 9, 2015 Jeep Renegade. The Renegade promised off-road adventure. In reality, drivers faced transmissions shifting into neutral mid-drive, engine stalling, and high oil consumption. Stranded in the middle of nowhere became an all-too-common scenario. Stellantis eventually discontinued the model, but not before it earned a reputation for danger. Number 8, 2015 Chrysler 200. Another Stellantis disaster. The Chrysler 200's Tiger Shark engine burned oil, stalled unexpectedly, and caused cars to roll away when parked. Low-mileage vehicles already experienced jerking and transmission failures, forcing owners into costly repairs despite warranties. Number 7, 2014 Ford Fiesta. The Fiesta's small frame didn't prevent big problems. Door lock actuators failed, electronic power steering faltered, coolant leaks were common, and transmissions hesitated. Owners filed class actions after repeated dangerous experiences. Even routine rain could leave the car's footwells flooded. Number 6, 2014 Mitsubishi Mirage. Cheap doesn't mean safe. The Mirage's low crash test scores, weak engine, and poor structural integrity made it extremely vulnerable in collisions. Drivers had minimal acceleration to escape danger, and its lightweight frame offered little protection. Mitsubishi discontinued the model after repeated safety concerns. Number 5, 2013 Kia Rio. The 2013 Rio earned the worst possible combination. marginal crash ratings, and engines prone to fire. Even after recalls, many vehicles remained unsafe. The Rio could leave drivers at risk of serious injury and minor collisions, and the fear of spontaneous engine fires lingered for years. Number 4. 2012 Hyundai Sonata Theta 2 engine. Hyundai's once beloved Sonata became infamous for spontaneous engine fires caused by faulty connecting rod bearings. Drivers could experience total engine failure at highway speeds. Recalls addressed some cars, but the risk haunted many owners for years. Number 3. 2011 Kia Sorento. Another victim of the Theta 2 engine, the 2011 Sorento was prone to engine fires and sudden stalls. Safety hazards were extreme, and extended warranties were necessary to restore any confidence. Number 2. 2011 Chevrolet Cruze. The Cruze suffered engine compartment fires, loss of power steering, and erratic electrical failures. Drivers risked stalling on highways and encountering potentially catastrophic malfunctions while behind the wheel. Number 1. 2010 Toyota Corolla. A car once synonymous with reliability, the 2010 Corolla had a hidden danger: unintended acceleration caused by faulty throttle controls and floor mat entrapment. While rare, the consequences were deadly. Even one mistake could turn a commuter-friendly vehicle into a life-threatening hazard. There you have it, 20 cars that caused misery, fear, and near tragedy for drivers everywhere. Some were discontinued, others recalled, but all of them left lasting scars on the automotive world. Remember, safety isn't just about airbags or brakes. It's about trust in the machine you put your life in every day. If you found this list eye-opening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share this video with friends and family, because the more people know, the safer we all become.